Hello friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I am going to share with you a project that I did using this die right here from Scrapdiva Designs. It is called the Star Nesting Set. And I will have an affiliate link in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. When you use the affiliate link, that doesn't cost you anything else, but it does help me and my channel. You can also use Carol 10 at checkout. So this die right here, I'll show you how many you get in the set. You get quite a few. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7 dies. And the biggest die measures, let's see, we'll go from here to here. And wrong side. About 4 1/4. Let's go this way. About 4 1/2 this way. That's the widest point. So 4 1/2 on the widest point would be your largest star. All right. So let me go ahead and pull my project into view here. So I made a little swag, and I layered all the stars, and it turned out so pretty. So I started with my base with the largest star, and then I went up from there, and I put some foam in between to get all this dimension. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars here, and I did go up from the back to, I used the 6. I used 6 stars. I did not use the smallest one. And as you will see here, I'm going to point out to you, when you cut out the stars, you also cut this portion out. And what I did was I used these pieces to decorate my stars. So as you can see here, so you get the inside of the star. That's what I used for this. And then I kept these, and I used these to decorate my stars. So for instance, when you're looking at this one, I have a navy blue background, and then I took the piece that fell out from the next star, and I put it on top of the large star to highlight it. And then I put the next star, and then another, as you can see here, another piece from this star, and then another star, and that fallout piece there. So I had groups. I grouped these so that I could do that, and it really decorates the star really, really cute. And so the last one, I cut the 6th one up in size, and I didn't use the star. I just used the outline to decorate the star below it. And then I had these stars, these shiny stars, in my stash, and I used them for the center. And I thought it came out really, really cute. And then I had these heart gems that I stuck in the center of the star. So it came out so cute. And I will be hanging this up for the 4th of July. As you can see, it's 4th of July themed. I had some 4th of July flag paper that I created that's sandwiched in between. So I just did different, I did red, white, and blue paper, and I did gold paper, and I did a white glitter paper to put these together. So get a close-up so that you can see what I did. It was really easy to put together, and really fast. So when you cut out, just put your stars in stacks so that the pieces that drop out will be all together, so you'll know where you're at. So I didn't use the largest star because, of course, it's bigger than the largest one. But everything else I did use. I had no waste. So it's all set for the 4th of July. Really cute. It's going to look cute hanging up. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked this project. Again, this was the star nesting set from Scrapdiva Designs. This is a nice short and sweet video today. I hope you enjoyed it. So remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.